One of the biggest challenges in dropshipping is getting your first few sales on a new store, but it's actually much easier than you think. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to find a winning product and start making sales in just 24 hours or less. I broke it down to 4 key components that every store must have if you want to be successful with dropshipping. Let's start with number 1. So the first part of a successful dropshipping store is your product. I see so many dropshippers get caught up on products they think are winners, but their testing phase shows otherwise. You'll be able to tell if a product is a winner within your first couple days of testing. If it fails, it's time to move on to the next one. So let's start by talking about my winning product criteria, or everything I look for in a potential product to sell. Then I'll show you guys some examples of winning products and a really good way to find them. So the first thing that I look for in a winning product is that it has the wow factor. You want your product to grab your customer's attention to allow you to create scroll-stopping content around. Your customers should be able to clearly see the benefits or what's in it for them. Next up, you want to sell products that are unique and not sold in stores. If your customer can drive to their local store and purchase your product, why would they get it from your brand? You also want to focus on products that are problem solving and can get your customers a solution. By highlighting your customer pain points and offering a solution, pretty much instantly makes a sale. Those are 3 key criteria that I look for in potential products to sell out of many others. Now let's go over an example of a winning product. Alright, here's a really good example of a winning product. In case you didn't already know, this was the first winning product I ever sold and had success with in dropshipping. But anyways, you guys can see right away that it has that wow factor. Most shower heads aren't filled with minerals like this, and it actually solves a couple of problems. Number 1, a lot of tap water is filled with toxins, so these mineral beads are actually supposed to purify your water and give you a fresh source. And number 2, this is a high pressure shower head, meaning it increases your water pressure and can actually save your customers money on their water bills. It's also good to pay attention to the ratings as well as the amount sold right here. You guys can see this listing alone has over 4,000 orders, many of which are probably dropshipping. So it matches all of our winning product criteria, and this would be a great product to focus on. On the other end, you have a normal shower head like this. While it has good ratings and a lot of orders, this definitely isn't something with a wow factor. It's sold in stores. It doesn't solve any problems, even though it has 5 adjustable settings. This is not a winning product or something you would want to sell. You only want to focus on unique problem-solving products. So a great way to find winning products that are currently working for other brands is by using the TikTok Creative Center. You guys can see the top ads for other brands selling on TikTok, and we have a bunch of criteria right up here at the top to narrow it down. So we can sort by objective. We want conversions or ads that are targeting sales. You can choose different time frames right here. You can look at the last 30 days, the last 7, or the last 180. I recommend going by the last 30 days and looking at products that are trending this month. You guys can choose different industries or niches right here. I typically leave this alone unless there's a specific niche you want to sell in. You guys can choose the different markets right here. I recommend going with the top 4 countries. So we'll go US, UK, we'll choose Canada as well as Australia. And then you guys can narrow it down by likes right here. So we'll choose the top 1 to 20% of liked ads on TikTok. Scroll through this list until you find any products that catch your attention, as all of these products are currently working for other brands right now. There are many other ways to find winning products, but this is a very powerful tool offered directly by TikTok. Now, the second most important part of any dropshipping brand is your creatives. You need high quality creatives in order to sell your products. Every video ad you create must be high quality and engaging. I recommend switching scenes every 1 to 3 seconds to keep your customers engaged, because the human attention span keeps getting smaller and smaller thanks to short form content. People are bombarded with thousands of videos each and every day, so it's getting harder to keep their attention. Besides that, your videos must speak to your target audience or they're gonna scroll on to the next video. They need to be informative and highlight the useful benefits of your products or what's in it for your customer. Then at the end of every video, you must have a strong call to action or a CTA telling your customers what to do next to complete their purchase. Now, I just want to show you where I get all of my ad creatives from. This is viral ecom ads. Viral ecom ads uses a proven to convert ad strategy that the owners themselves have used to generate over $30 million in sales on their own stores. I've been buying ads from this company and talking about them on this channel for years, and so have many other dropshippers. You guys can see some of their best-selling ad packages down here, and it doesn't matter which ad platform you use, they have you covered. Let's go over my favorite ad package, the TikTok split testing package, which is 3 TikTok videos for your one winning product. You guys can see that every ad package includes delivery in 1 to 3 business days, proven to convert ad creatives, as well as unlimited revisions. When you guys are ready to try them out, you have to build your bundle down here. You'll start by choosing your quantity. You guys can actually save more money by bundling up and purchasing more at a time. Next, choose if you want TikTok text displayed on your video. I highly recommend this as many videos are watched without sound. In step 3, choose if you want a TikTok voiceover on your video, and then click buy it now. You guys can see more about how this process works right here. You place your order, then you'll fill out a submission form with more information about your winning product. You'll receive your video ads, and then you can request any revisions that you would like to. Let's look at some examples of their TikTok ad creatives.
You dread the post-party cleanup? Say no more. The automatic cup washer is here to save the day. Effortlessly clean your cups with a simple push and spend more time enjoying your drinks. Don't miss out. Check out the link now and make dishwashing a breeze.
You guys can see that each video is high quality, engaging, and has a strong call to action like we just talked about. I highly recommend using viral ecom ads when you go to test new products. And I recently partnered with them to give you guys 15% off your first order using code Alexander15. But if you guys want to save even more money, you can join their VIP program and get this ad package for $12.50 instead of $50. Their VIP program costs $50 a month, but it gets you 75% off all video editing packages, 24-hour delivery and revision time, as well as priority support. This is the best way to go when you're first starting out and testing a bunch of different products in order to find a winner. It lets you test as many products as you want to for incredibly cheap. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to give them a try. Remember to use code Alexander15 to get 15% off. Alright, after your product and your ad creatives, the next most important part of any dropshipping brand is your offer. You must have a strong offer in order to generate sales. Strong offers oftentimes include urgency or a limited time deal, scarcity or a limited amount of your products, and they always make your customers feel stupid for saying no. If you guys have strong offers in place, you'll make a lot more sales. So let's go over some examples of some good offers. So right away, you guys can see the offer for this mini pocket printer right here. It's just a product pricing markdown from $59.90 to $34.90. It's known as their Easter deal. Even though we're a week past Easter, their offer ends on Thursday, 4/4/24, which is today. They also have another key component right here, which is free shipping on orders over $50. So this is a decent offer, just a discounted rate. Many dropshipping stores already use this, so it's not as strong as other offers. On top of testing different products, it's really good to test multiple offers for the same product to see which one resonates with your target audience. There are many different types of offers you can create. You have your discounts, you have your bundle discounts, there's free shipping offers, buy one get one offers, and so much more. Let's take a look at some more established dropshipping stores and see what their offers are. You guys can see BlendJet right here, which is a very well-known dropshipping brand. We scroll down, we can see their offer right here, which is a free gift with your purchase of the BlendJet 2. You guys can choose if you want the black jet setter sleeve or the lavender jet setter sleeve right here. Then they also have warranty options right here to increase their average order value and bundle upsells right here. So overall, they have a really strong offer in place. So next up we have CloudSlides, which is another well-known dropshipping brand. Right away, you guys can see multiple offers presented. Right up here on the banner at the top, you have your Easter sale up to 80% off store-wide, as well as their today only buy two get one free. So on their product page, they have this save 60% badge or 40/45. You guys can get these slides for $26.95 marked down from $67.40. They have their today's promotion 3 for 2 where your third pair of slides is actually free, as well as their urgency timer right here with 4 hours left in order to drive those sales. So they're really focusing on urgency on their product pages to drive those sales today. They're saying at the end of the day, this promotion is going to expire. Scrolling down, they highlight this promotion again right here where your third pair is free. They also have priority processing for $3, which increases their average order value. Overall, they have some really strong offers in place, and I'm sure their sales reflect that. The fourth and final part of any successful dropshipping store is your landing page. Your landing page must be well branded, have high quality content like your images, your videos, or your GIFs of your product in use. Do a good job of highlighting your product and showing what's in it for your customers. And good landing pages always have reviews of your product for social proof, as customers typically rely on reviews to make their purchasing decisions. So let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of good product pages. So right here we have Glowball, the LED basketball. It's a TikTok dropshipping product that we've talked about on this channel before. So right away, they have their offer in place right here. It's on sale for $44.99, marked down from $60. I'll tell you what exactly I like about this landing page. So right off the bat, they have high quality images of their product right here for their product images. They have their offer expiring soon right here, the countdown timer, which is already at 0, so I would fix that. They have their sticky add to cart button that follows you as you scroll down this page. So you guys can select buy now at any point as you're reading this description. I really like the way they wrote their description down here and divided it by different pieces of content and benefits of the product. So you guys can see some high quality GIFs right here of the product in use, some high quality images highlighting how it works, and just some more videos down here. They have their call to action at the bottom of the description right here, which is shop now. But the one thing I don't like about this product page is there's not any reviews down here. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the established dropshipping brands we just went over and look at their product pages. So going back to BlendJet, besides their high quality offers, let's see how they structure their product page. You guys can see the high quality content right here of their product and their product in use. We keep scrolling down. They have in their description a high quality video that shows their product in action for a ton of different demographics. They have old people, they have vacationers, they have people who work out, people who travel, literally every demographic they reach in this video right here. They highlight the features and benefits of this product. Let's keep scrolling. They have their features down here with even more high quality content that follows you as you scroll down. There's nothing that I dislike about this product page. Just like the other one that we went over, they have their sticky add to cart button that stays at the top of the screen. You guys can choose your variant, how many you want to purchase, and select add to cart right here. As we keep scrolling, you guys can see the high quality content with the benefits over here on the left hand side of the screen. Let's scroll down and see if they have reviews, and of course they do. They have 64,474 high rated reviews down here from a bunch of different customers from different demographics. Scrolling down, they have their jetpacks right here to increase their average order value. So overall, this landing page has strong offers in place, high quality product images and videos, customer reviews, and so much more. Going back to cloud slides, there's so much that you can learn from each one of these product pages. I highly recommend taking your favorite features from each product page and applying them to your own. So scrolling past the offers we just talked about, they have some badges right here: free shipping, easy exchange, ultra cushion comfort, lightweight, so much more. They have some high quality GIFs of their products with some features and benefits as you scroll down. So I like all these product images. I like the way they structure their description and everything else. They have their sizing chart right here, as well as some customer reviews. The one thing that this product page doesn't have that the other ones did is that sticky add to cart button that follows you as you scroll down the page. But other than that, I like everything about this landing page. So go ahead and make sure that all the landing pages you create for your own stores and your own products include everything we just talked about. So once you guys have those 4 key components in place, a winning product, high quality ad creatives, a strong offer, and high quality landing pages, you need to pick a marketing strategy. There are quite a few different routes you can go, but the most popular are definitely Facebook ads, TikTok organic, as well as TikTok ads. You need to choose one or more of those marketing strategies in order to drive traffic to your store and start generating sales. I have quite a few videos on this channel highlighting all of those different marketing strategies. Whether you want my Facebook or TikTok ad strategy, or you want to learn how to drive organic sales to your store for free with TikTok Organic. I highly recommend going and checking out one of those. But that's everything you need to know if you want to start generating sales on your store in the next 24 hours. If you follow the steps I laid out in this video, you'll be able to start making sales in no time. I also have a free course linked down below to help you get started. If this video helped you in any way, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.